today we're gonna try something different. I just got to Autocross event. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna try something different. I just got to Autocross event. Quite a few cars in here. I got my Pontiac G8. Got another Pontiac over here. So I was able to sign up, and yeah, we'll see how the Pontiac's gonna handle the turns and twisties. There's quite a few cars in here. So let me show you this one. This car looks pretty insane. Driving on slicks, yeah, that's gonna create some good times. Look at that muffler. Ha. Pretty sweet setup. Okay, we also got a few Corvettes. How you doing, guys? Let's see what else is here. We got nice Lotus. I mean, nice car.
Thank you.
Actually get some good times over here. It's pretty light car.
Not so much.
You think so? That's pretty.
This will be my sixth time.
Sixth time? It's my first time, so
okay.
You should be good.
What are you driving?
I got Pontiac G8.
Nice.
Not really creative for something like this.
Well,
it should be fun. It's gonna be my first Autocross. Okay, so the first run is it's done. I don't think it was the quickest, but yeah, I have to leave it at a 1 gear because I left it at auto shift, it's sport, but the transmission was later lost. I have to leave it at 2nd gear and just rip it.
Stop. You can go whenever.
Okay, good.
My 5-1 back.
Nice. Good job, man. Fuck. That. All right, so I'm not even close. Not even close. Fuck. This car is ripping. Holy shit. All right, bro. Let me go to my car. Hopefully, I'm gonna get a run. All right. Holy shit. This guy is fucking ripping. Fuck. Yeah, the sticky tires are doing the work. I think I just made my first fastest time, but the tires are terrible. They're super slippery. So we got passenger.
Extra dead weight.
Yep, extra dead weight, but maybe this way the car is gonna be more balanced.
Yep. More grip.
Oh. All over the place.
No grip.
Shit, that's the pothole? Fuck.
That was fun. Good job, dude.
Whenever you're ready.
All over the place.
We go dripping. Pizda.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. I got the fastest time on my last lap, so I got under 58. Didn't feel like the fastest, but I got it. All right, guys, see you in the middle of the track. All right, guys, so that's gonna be pretty much it for today. It's a pretty awesome event. A lot of fun. Look at this guy. Big thanks to organizers, the Chicago Miata Club. Pretty awesome organization and event. And actually I was able to get some decent time with my Pontiac G8. So yeah, a few more races and it's gonna be time to go home. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.